As it turns out, you guys know how to toast bread, but also, you guys want to know how to make the bread that you toast. So, in today's video, we make English muffins, or crumpets, or whatever you want to call it. Begin by mixing 480 grams of bread flour, 9 grams of yeast, 14 grams of sugar, and 8 grams of salt in a fairly large bowl. You can use a fork or a whisk to mix it in, or just use your hands. As mentioned before, there's absolutely no use in blooming dried yeast, and even if salt touches it, the resulting product will still be the same. Next, pour in 140 grams of milk, 140 grams of water, and 30 grams of softened or melted butter. You can warm up the liquids to about 36 degrees first, but in practice, I find that there really isn't much of a difference. Next, using your method of choice, mix everything together until it forms a ball. I prefer using a wooden spoon or stick, as well as a dough scraper. Once the dough resembles a shaggy ball, pour everything out and knead it until smooth. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Place the ball in a lightly greased bowl and cover with cling wrap or a damp cloth. Let it proof for about an hour or until doubled in size. Once that's done, punch out the air and pour out your dough. Using a rolling pin, flatten it out into a sheet that's about 1.5 centimeters thick. Using a 3-inch cookie cutter or ring mold, cut out as many discs as you can. Place them into a tray dusted with cornmeal or polenta. Cover it with a damp cloth, cling wrap, or another tray and let it proof for about another hour. As for the excess dough, you can scrunch it together and try to cut out more muffins. Just know that these won't be as pretty, nor will they rise as much. Once your muffins are nice and puffed, we can begin cooking. Place a cast iron or non-stick pan over medium-low heat and lightly grease it with some olive oil or butter. Gently place a few of your muffins onto the pan and let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Flip the muffins and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. If this is your first time, I suggest checking at the 3-minute mark to see if it's browning properly or if it's getting too brown. Adjust the heat accordingly. Once they are cooked, remove them from the pan and let them cool on a wire rack for about 30 minutes to an hour. Proceed to consume with whatever you want. Here, I chose to use some Bailey's butter, but as we all know, muffins are perfect for eggs benedict. And there you have it, how to make English muffins at home. Some recipes say you should bake them in an oven, but not everyone owns an oven. However, almost everyone I know owns some sort of frying pan. But that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, remember to like and subscribe and to share the video. Also, let me know in the comments down below what other dishes you'd like to see or what other recipes you'd like to learn. But for now, I'll say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.